Representing the Pikes Peak chapter, Velcro.
A 1, 2, 3. Hey, hey, what do you say? Meet me in the kitchen today. Hey, hey, good looking. Tell me what you got cooking. How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, 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 sweet baby. Tell me, honey, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe, I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill, and I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pop and the dancing's free, so if you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Oh, what but me? See, I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill, and I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pop and the dancing's free, so if you wanna have fun, come along with me. We'll have a hot time, just wait and see. Hey, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? Smells real sweet, now time for a treat now. How's about cooking something up? Come on, let's mess the kitchen up. How's about cooking something up with me, can't you see? Good looking, look my way, good looking. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, goodbye, my Coney Island baby. Farewell, my own true love, my honey. I'm gonna go away and leave you, never to see you any, never gonna see you any. I'm gonna sail upon that ferry boat, never to return again. So goodbye, farewell, so long forever. Goodbye, my Coney Island. Goodbye, my Coney Island. Goodbye, my Coney Island. We all fall for some girl who dresses neat, some girl who's got big feet. We meet her on the street, then we'll join the army of married boobs to the altar. Please don't shoot, I'll marry your daughter when it's over. Oh boy, we get it good. Bachelor days we then recall. Rich man, poor man, beggar man, thief, doctor, lawyer, merchant, chief. We all are bound for. Goodbye, my Coney Island baby. Farewell, my own true love, my honey. I'm gonna go away and leave you, never to see you any, never gonna see you any. I'm gonna sail upon that ferry boat, never to return again. So goodbye. Farewell. Arrivederci. Adios, muchachas. Aloha. Ha. dum dum.
Goodbye, my Coney Isle. Goodbye, my Coney Isle.
Let's go.
Goodbye, my Coney Island baby.